Hello everyone, welcome back to Kirklees Guitar School. In today's video, I'd like to formally announce that Riffmas 2025, as of tomorrow, which is December the 1st, is a go. So, what is Riffmas? Well, Riffmas is a competition that I ran in our Facebook group last year where I posted 12 short, sort of accessible, easy riff lessons into the Facebook group and encouraged everybody to take a clip of them playing one of those riffs and to post it in the Facebook group. For every person that posted in the Facebook group a clip of them playing, they won a ticket into the draw to win a lesson with me. It was a really great competition. I think we had something like somewhere between 80 and 90 entries last year. In true Kirklees Guitar School spirit, we're bringing that back this year, bigger and better than we did the year before. So what I'm going to do this time, instead of doing the 12 days of Riffmas, I'm only going to do 8 because we've got lots of other things going on this year that we didn't last year, like the podcast, the bigger lessons, the academy. So I'm going to post 8 riff lessons over the next 3 weeks for you to check out. Now, all these riffs were voted on by the members of the Facebook group, and hopefully your riff got chosen. What I'd like you to do, if you can for me, is take a short clip of you playing any of those riffs, and you can enter up to 8 times for 8 different riffs. And I'd like you to take a video yourself, post it in the Facebook group, and you'll get a ticket into the draw. There's 3 prizes. Well, there's going to be 3 winners in this competition this time. So let me walk you through it. And this is the order that I'm going to draw them in. So the first runner-up prize, is going to win a TC Electronic Mojo pedal. Now this is brand new in the box. I haven't opened it. I've actually bought this myself for the draw. Thank you very much, Black Friday deals. The first winner will win the Mojo pedal and a Kirklees Guitar School t-shirt in their size anywhere between small to XXL. The Mojo pedal was the overdrive pedal. If I was to pick one piece of gear that I was really impressed with this year that I tried, it was the Mojo pedal. I know I'm kind of sleeping on it. They've been out for ages, but I never got a chance to try one. So I figured it'd be a good prize for somebody to win, especially those of you that are getting into electric guitar and doing that kind of stuff. The second runner-up, I've got a TC Electronic Ditto pedal, which is it's what we call a one-knob pedal. It's a really easy-to-use, accessible beginner's loop pedal that I'd like to give you as the second prize, along with a t-shirt as well. The third and final prize that I'm giving away today, well, for Riffmas, I should say, is this Enya Nova Go Sonic, I think is what it's called off the top of my head. It's basically Enya's plug-in travel smart guitar. It's one piece carbon fibre, single cut, really light, comes with a gig bag and all the stuff that you need to play. And I've really enjoyed playing this travel guitar, but I'm not playing it enough. So the sort of overall winner, the third person that's drawn, will win this guitar. So who can enter? Everybody, providing you're on Facebook. I'm really sorry if you're not on Facebook, but it's the best way that we can do this, okay? Now, you can enter from anywhere all over the world. If Royal Mail can send it to your house, you can enter the competition and I'll send it to you no matter the cost. Even those of you that are watching in Canada, America, Australia, I'll send it and I'll cover all the fees and make sure that it gets to you, okay? So this is worldwide competition. Anybody can enter, and I'd really love to see some winners from overseas. You don't have to be an Academy member to access this. Everybody's on a level playing field here. The only rules are you can only post once per lesson. So there's 8 riff lessons, so you can maximum get 8 entries into the competition. Now, this Facebook group that we have is a really lovely place. You'll never meet another group of more supportive guitarists all propping each other up. It's a fantastic place to be. And please don't think that you're going to post something and then have a load of trolls coming after you. We don't do that here on Kirklees Guitar School. We've got a really supportive, excellent community of guitarists. I'm going to draw the winners on December the 31st on the actual Facebook group. But I won't be posting any of the prizes until January the 5th when I'm back at work after the Christmas break. Okay? So, head to the first link in the description, join the Facebook group, and watch out for the first riff lesson that's landing on the 1st of December, which is tomorrow. And all of the tabs and the PDFs that you can can either download directly from the website. Even if you're not interested in taking part of the competition but want to take part, you can get those from the website. And I will also be posting them directly on the Facebook group. So I wish you the best of luck, and I will see you tomorrow for the first instalment of Riffmas. Thank you so much.